Doan has possession along the boards. Shot. He scores, and it's starting early here tonight. That goal gives his team a 2-goal lead.
Terrific goal here, Bob. The goalie tried to save it with his skate, but it bounced off his blade into the net.
Taking a closer look at this, the goalie's skates were just at the wrong angle.
And as a goalie, you have to be aware of all parts of your body and pads, because a bad angle of any part of you can result in something bad like a rebound or even worse, a goal.
And sometimes you just don't have time to adjust. Tough goal to give up there. And we're going to start up action again. The puck now to the right wing. At the point. He scores! Jams it into the net, and they jump out on top here. 1-0 in the first period.
He gets the great feed out in front, and I have to tell you, Bob, this was a jolly good assist.
It was. He hit the seam. They had just enough room to operate, and he was able to drill it right in.
That's great puck movement, and Bob, I think my favorite part was when the puck moved to the back of the net.
And yes, mine too. Here comes the face-off to start the action again. Toscala digs in at the left side, waiting for the puck drop. The Stars get the face-off. He's in the slot. Toscala, it's in! What a goal! And what a great way to start this game. These guys wanted to make a statement early, and they've done just that. Jumping out to a 1-0 lead here in the first.
Way to get it done.
This was a textbook rebound goal, Bob. Let's have another look at it on the replay.
He was in just the right position to get that puck and shoot it right back again.
Upper left corner. Not much the goalie could do on that play.
The skaters look ready in that big circle. Taken across the blue line by the Ducks. Oh, baby, he shut him down on that breakaway. Bell with the puck at center ice. He scores! And they've grabbed the quick 1-0 lead with a solid effort to get that goal in this first period of play.
This shot ricocheted off the left post. Let's check out the replay.
It's an impressive goal, and you can really appreciate it in slow-mo.
I think the shooter was in slow motion when he shot the puck.
And we are just about ready to resume play here. The shot labeled for the top left corner, stopped by Joseph. Another shot. Solani, it's in! What a goal! And what a great way to start this game. These guys wanted to make a statement early, and they've done just that. Jumping out to a 1-0 lead here in the first.
Beautiful one-timer, Coley, but it couldn't have turned into a goal without that incredible timing on the pass.
Oh, no kidding. He just pauses a bit and then makes the pass.
And the goalie could not make the stop. That was a bullet shot.
The nice puck movement really set up the goal nicely. That was a great play. We'll get back to the action now as the official gets set to drop the puck.